to Jimbo's Garage. Well, for the last year since I moved here to Florida from California, I've done a lot of renovations here on the property. Land preparation, grading for sidewalks, walkways, driveways, and even the foundation here for the shop. And I've had to rent plate compactors at least a half a dozen times, if not more, at the tune of $100 a pop. And it's starting to get expensive. So I thought I'd want to get one of my own because I have a lot more to do here, and I just thought it would be best that I have my own. So I'm taking a look at this VEVOR 6.5 horsepower plate compactor and see if this is worthy to have in my arsenal for the remaining projects I have in my shop and ongoing into the future. So let's take a closer look. Okay, so there's the machine right there. Very good looking machine. One of the things I like about it the most here is the wheels on the back. This is something I've never had before. Makes it easy to maneuver around by yourself. Definitely a good key feature there. And the plate size, this is a 3/8 thick steel, carbon steel plate, 15 inches wide, 20 inches long, provides a nice big footprint, you know, for your compacting. Nice and wide, works good. I like the rubber handle at the top, very ergonomic, comfortable to use, no vibration, and the throttle control at the top as well. And then the 2.5 liter gas tank works well. All right, easy starting right here. This is right out of the box, basically. One pull, I think. Well, actually, it was like two pulls right out of the box, but after that, just one pull to make it happen. Very easy to start. You can see the compacting right here. I had some loose material right here. I had to level out. I've got some high spots and some low spots here in the driveway, and I just leveling the area out and want to compact this material back down in. Look how easy it is to operate. I mean, basically it just operates on its own. One hand maneuverability right here. You know, cruises right along, really good, compacts nice and tight. I really like it. Like I said, I've got a lot of experience with plate compactors, and this one here is really smooth. Works really nice. You can see how it just compacts down nice and tight. And you go over 2 or 3 times and really get it tight, and that's what I'm probably ultimately going to do. I got a lot of things to do with this over the next few years, so I think it's going to be a really good tool to have. You know, with that 2.5 gallon gas tank, you know, provides, you know, long, you can go for easily all day. You know, I wouldn't recommend a runtime longer than 40 or 45 minutes continuously. Maybe after that, take a break. But, you know, the fuel consumption, I mean, that probably could go for sure all day, if not 2 days on that big tank. You know, where this would come in handy is if you are a small contractor, landscaping contractor, concrete contractor like I was. I use mine daily for compacting sub-basins like this for driveways, walkways, patios. I think it would be a really good tool for a contractor like that. And there's some finished compaction, nice and tight in there, really good. That's just going over it a couple of times. All right, my final thoughts on the VEVOR 6.5 horsepower plate compactor. I've been a concrete contractor for over 40 years, retired now, and I've had several of these over the time frame. And I got to say, this is the smoothest ones I think I've ever had. A lot of features I really like about this right here. One are the wheels in the back, to be able to maneuver this thing around by yourself without someone else's. These are very heavy. Really like that. The plate size, 15 inches wide by 20 inch wide, a big footprint. It seems to have a nice wide footprint to do all this, do the compacting efficiently. I like the rubber handle at the very top right here. It's very comfortable to work with, very ergonomic. And the throttle control as well, being right up here. In the past, I've had to reach down and control the throttle down here. Having the throttle control up on the top right here is very convenient. The gas tank, 2.5 liter gas tank is a large capacity gas to be able to get you through the day with no problem at all. Okay, one of the key things I think this would be really good for is if you do walkways, patios, driveways, you know, compacting subgrade for those. This is the excellent choice for that. Installing pavers, sub-base for the pavers, and then compacting the pavers down after the pavers were laid. That's what I had used it for in the past, and this is a great tool for that. So overall, yes, I think it's a very professional grade quality machine. Would I Would I recommend it? Yes, absolutely I would. After renting this several times this last year at almost $100 a pop versus the price point at $440, I think this is a great value. So there it is, the VEVOR 6.5 horsepower plate compactor. Very nice tool. The VEVOR 6.5 horsepower plate compactor, very good tool to have in the shop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.